Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is differentiation in the subject of pure mathematics 3 A levels. And in differentiation, the first thing that we are going to read is the derivatives of exponential and trigonometric function. So concentrate yourself. This is a technical topic. You have to learn a lot of concepts and formulas. So the first thing that we are going to read is the derivative of sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x into differential of the angle. Whatever the angle will be placed here, we have to take the differential of that angle. So listen again. Derivative of sin x is cos x into differential of angle. Okay, next thing is derivative of cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x into differential of the angle. Whatever the angle is, we have to take the differential of that angle. So listen again. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x into differential of angle. Next thing is derivative of tan x. So derivative of tan x is secant square x into differential of angle. Next thing is derivative of natural log of x. So that is 1 over x. So whatever is placed here in with the natural log will be taken into the denominator, 1 over, so into differential of whatever here is placed. So again look, the derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x into differential of x. Next thing is a derivative of e raised to power x. So answer is, the formula for is it is that e raised to power x. So this thing will be placed as it is first into differential of whatever is placed into the power. So again look, derivative of e raised to power x is e raised to power x into differential of x. Next thing that we are going to read is product rule. So when two functions are multiplying with each other, so their derivative is, the formula is first as it is, differential of second, plus second as it is, differential of first. So again listen, this you have to learn this sentence, first as it is, differential of second, plus second as it is, differential of first. And other thing that we are going to read is quotient rule. So when two functions are given in fraction, the formula of their derivative is take the square of the denominator. So whatever the denominator is, that will be placed in the numerator into differential of numerator, minus, now this time numerator will be placed as it is and take the differential of the denominator. So listen again, take the square of the denominator. Denominator will be placed as it is into differential of numerator, minus numerator will be placed as it is, take the differential of the denominator. So these are some concepts which will be applied in this topic. So you have to understand and learn these concepts first, these formulas first, without which you will not be able to solve the question. So understand, read it again and learn them. So now we are going to solve some questions. Okay, here are some questions that we are going to solve. The requirement is find the derivative. Find the derivative. And first part is cos 2x plus 1. So concentrate now. Always let first the function equal to y. So now dy by dx will be equal to, the derivative of cos is minus sign, 2x plus 1 will remain as it is for the first time, and then we have to take the differential of the angle with it. So 2x plus 1. So this is the method. derivative of cos is minus sign. Here is the formula. And then we have to take the derivative differential of the angle. So look now, cos 2x plus 1. The differential of the cos is minus sign. 2x plus 1 will be placed with it as it is. And then we have to take the differential of the angle. So now look in the next step, minus sine x, minus sine 2x plus 1. And the differential of this thing is 2 because constant will be 0 and differential of the 2x will be 2. So that will be placed before it. So minus 2 sine 2x plus 1 is the answer. The next part is three sine 3x. Okay, look, 3 sine 3x. So this is the equation. So in the first step, we will let the function equal to y. Next step will be dy by dx is equal to, because the differential of y with respect to x is dy by dx, and this coefficient will remain as it is. The differential of sine is cos. First time the angle will be put as it is, but into we have to take the differential of the angle, that is 3x. So now we will solve it. The differential of 3x is 3. So that 3 will be multiplied by this one. So 9 cos 3x is the answer. And other part is here. Minus 5 tan x by 2. So here is the equation. So look now, in the first step we will take it equal to y. So differentiation of y with respect to x is dy by dx, and differential of minus 5 will be placed as it is because this is coefficient, and differential of the tan is secant square. So secant square x by 2 will be placed as it is, and now you will take the differential of the angle, that is x by 2. Okay, the differential of the x by 2 will be 1 by 2 because that 2 is over, so 1 by 2 will remain as it is, and the differentiation of the variable will be 1. So differential of x by 2 will be 1 by 2. That 1 by 2 will come here. So minus 5 by 2 into secant square x by 2 is the answer. Okay, and other part is here, that is 3 e raised to power 1 minus 3x. So here is the equation. So we will let it equal to y. So differential of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Coefficient will be placed as it is. E raised to power x, e raised to power something, the answer is same, that is e raised to power x is e raised to power x, then take the differential of the power. So look now, first time this whole factor will be remain as it is, and into we have to take the differential of power, that is 1 minus 3x. And now the differential of 1 minus 3x will be minus 3 because 1 will be 0 and minus 3x differential will be minus 3. That minus 3 will come before. So minus 3 into 3 will be minus 9 e raised to power 1 minus 3x is the answer. Okay, here is another question, that is natural log of 4x plus 2. So here is the question. So in the first step, we will take it equal to y, and differential of y with respect to x is dy by dx. natural log's differential is 1 over x. So whatever is there with the natural log, that will be put 1 over. So it will be 1 over 4x plus 2. And then take the differential of the thing that is placed with natural log. So into differential of 4x plus 2. Now the differential of 4x plus 2 will be 4. That will come here. So 4 into 1 is 4 over 4x plus 2. If you take 2 from the 2 common from the denominator, that will be cancelled from numerator. So remainder will be 2 over 2x plus 1. So this is the answer. Okay. Another question is here. That is, suppose a question is here that is x into cos x. So x into cos x. This is a question. So if you can see, here are two functions which are multiplying with each other. So product rule will be applied. In first step, you will take it equal to y. So differential of y will be dy by dx. The method is first as it is. Differential of second, its differential will be minus sine x into differential of x will be 1. So there is no need to write 1 because 1 into this one will be same as it is. So first as it is, the differential of second. Okay, I'll do it in detail. So look now. First as it is, differential of second plus second as it is, differential of first. This is actually detailed form. Gradually we will do directly. So this is the most detailed form of this. So look now again, first as it is, differential of second plus second as it is, differential of first. And now we will solve it. First as it is, differential of second is cos, differential is minus sine, into angle is 1. So 1 into this thing will remain as it is, plus cos x remain as it is, and differential of x is 1. So the final step will be, we will write it in detail. So minus sign will come before. So minus x sine x plus cos x. So this is the answer. Okay, we are going to do another question of quotient rule. So for example, sin x over x. So this is the question. So in first step, you will take it equal to y. So differential of y will be dy by dx. The method is take the square of the denominator, that will be x square, put denominator as it is into differential of numerator, that is sin x, minus numerator will remain as it is into differential of denominator, that is x. Okay, here was less space. So is it clear for you people? So look now, square of the denominator will be placed as it is, differential of numerator minus numerator as it is, differential of denominator. So this is the thing which we have followed from this rule. Now in next step we will solve it. So now x will remain as it is, differential of sin x is cos x, angle is x, so differential of x will be 1, so 1 will be multiplied by with this one, so there will be no effect, into minus sin x will remain as it is, and differential of x is 1 over x square will remain as it is. So this is the answer. Okay, here is another question. This statement of the question is find the stationary point of the curve y is equal to x e raised to power minus x and state whether it is maximum or minimum. Okay, all the concepts of pure mathematics once differentiation will be applied now. So first we will take the differential of this thing. So the equation is y is equal to x e raised to power minus x. So u into v. So product rule will be applied. So look now, dy by dx is equal to first as it is differential of second plus second as it is differential of first. So first product rule is applied. First as it is differential of second plus second as it is differential of first. Now we will solve it. So x as it is differential of e raised to power something is first we will write as it is, and now the differential of the power plus this e raised to power minus x will be remain as it is, and differential of x is 1. Okay, in next step the differential of minus x is minus 1, so minus 1 will be minus 1 will come before, so minus x e raised to power minus x and plus e raised to power minus x. So this is the differentiation. Okay, you may take minus e raised to power minus x common. So e raised to power minus x is common, taken common. So remainder will be 1 minus x. So actually this is the differentiation of the function. Okay, next thing is find the stationary point. Okay, for stationary point, you know dy by dx is equal to 0. And because dy by dx is equal to this one, e raised to power minus x into 1 minus x, so that will be equal to 0. Okay, from here e raised to power minus x is equal to 0 or 1 minus x is equal to 0. As you know, e raised to power minus x is real, that is greater than 0, and from here x is equal to 1. And when x is equal to 1, so put this value into this one. So look now, 1 into e raised to power minus 1. So okay, I'm solving the rest of the equation here. So when x is equal to 1, y will be equal to 1 into e raised to power minus 1. So the thing will be 1 over e. So it means point will be 1 into 1 over e. So this is the stationary point. The next thing that is required is whether it is a maximum or minimum point. So we have to take the second differential for this thing. So look now, here is the first differential. We have to solve it from here. So again, product rule will be applied. So first as it is, differential of second plus second as it is, differential of first. So product rule is applied. Okay, now solve it. The differential of this thing is minus 1. So it will be minus e raised to power minus x, because this factor will remain as it is and this minus sign will come before. Okay, from here you can see this plus sign as it is, 1 minus x as it is. Now the differential of this thing will be, first we will put it as it is, and now the differential of the power will be minus 1. So because of this minus thing will come before. So this sign will become minus. Okay, at this step you may take e raised to power minus x common, and remainder will be minus 1 minus 1 minus x. Okay, e raised to power x is taken common. So from here remainder will be minus 1 minus 1 minus x. Okay, opening this bracket, so minus 1 plus x, so that will become x minus 2. So x minus 2 into e raised to power minus x. So this is his second differential. So at this point we will put the value of 1 x, that is 1, into this one. So d2 y over dx square at x is equal to 1 will be 1 minus 2 into e raised to power minus 1. So it will become minus 1 over e, which is lesser than 0. So it means this point 1 into 1 over e will be maximum. So this is the solution.